It's Stragabella, and I have a haul video. I ordered from a new shop because one of the ones that I used to order from in Salem either got bought or sold or something and is no longer available. So this came from, I actually found it because it has the similar name. Online it was called Salem's Magic Shop, but it's an eBay shop that's based out of Florida. So I am faithful to show you what I got, like I said, and I am pleased with everything. It came all intact. Got what I ordered. I got this bone athame. Very nice, very pretty. Looks as good as it did in the picture. I got a porcupine quill. I have many hedgehog quills because I've had pet hedgehogs, but I didn't have one that was large enough to actually really write with without breaking it. I got some ink to go with it. This is Raven Magical ink. I believe it's black in color. I have not used it yet. I got one set of all black candles, or maybe I did get two. These are 3 black beeswax candles, as well as I got a variety pack with 1 of each color. And last but not least, I got a sage and pinon pine smudge stick. I got this brand new. I have many that are partially used, but I have a special project I need that one for, and it has to be all new. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I have more stuff coming in the mail, I believe. Some of it books, and I will be showing it as it comes. Alright guys, blessed be. Bye.